Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want to use the empirical rule. The mean speed of a sample of vehicles along a stretch of road is 63 miles per hour. Standard deviation is 4 miles per hour. Estimate the percentage of vehicles whose speeds between 51 and 75 miles per hour. So the data set's bell-shaped distribution. So I tried to draw a bell shape here. It's not the best. They tell us the mean 63. So, I like drawing a sketch here. So bell shape, the mean 63. Standard deviation is 4. So if I go minus 4 and plus 4, 59 to 67, this would be one standard deviation. I think the empirical rule says 68% of data would be between these 59 and 67. If I subtract another 4, I'd be at 55, and add 4 here, I'd be 71. So, from 55 to 71, from here to here is, that'd be 2 standard deviations. And I believe this empirical rule says, 95% of the data was within 2 standard deviations, or 55 to 71. Then we need to do it one more time, since it says, we want to do 51 to 75. So I subtract 4, I get 51, and I add 4 here, I get 75. So, this would be 1, 2, this is 3 standard deviations to the left, and here we got 3 standard deviations to the right. So here we're talking about 3 standard deviations, and this rule says within 3 standard deviations here, you have 99.7% of the data, which is close to all of it, except 0.3. And so, the answer here is 99.7. Hope it helps.